In this 90-second game changer, we're going to answer the question, are software engineers all going to lose their jobs to AI? And we're also going to show you a new and very powerful way of using AI in your software development workflow. Today I want to show you some new AI software that we're using at 3.digital to help us build software products for our clients. That new tool we're using is called Zed. Zed has just recently been released, and what makes Zed really powerful is that it's the first software development environment where AI is tightly integrated into your workflow from the ground up, rather than just being a separate window off to the side where you cut and paste text. This gives you a much better experience when you use the AI to assist with your software development. I'm going to show you how we use Zed to help us with a common programming task, documenting your code. Most programmers don't love documenting their code, and they will avoid it at all costs, or it becomes an afterthought, despite the huge benefits that good documentation brings. By the way, when 3.digital delivers projects, we always budget a bit of time for creating good documentation, both for end users and inside the code bases that we create. Zed loads very fast. It's all about speed with this editor. So now we can look at some existing code here. These are API calls for an AWS project. But let's say I wanted to add a new API call. So with Zed, it's very easy to do this because it understands the context of my code. All I do is I press a key and I say, write me a new API function and XML docket to compare dogs and cats. And now you can see, in line with where I'm editing, the AI is writing my code for me. Now the AI doesn't know exactly what I want because I gave it a 6-word prompt, but it has looked at my previous functions and looked at the context, and it's given me something that's pretty good that I can begin iterating on and I can begin changing it. But what I think the coolest thing is with Zed is that I can take this, select it again, and now I can ask it to change that for me. Add squirrels. So not just cats and dogs, but squirrels. Now, if you look carefully, you'll see the AI is actually going through my previous code and rewriting it, which is really awesome. I love watching this. It's like science fiction. I asked add in squirrels, and there we are. We've got the squirrels now, and that's it. As AI technologies like ChatGPT evolve, there's a growing conversation about their impact on jobs, especially for software engineers. But rather than replacing jobs, ChatGPT is revolutionizing how engineers work. AI is a tool that enhances productivity, offering real-time coding assistance, debugging, and even helps developers to write their documentation. This means projects that used to take months can now be completed faster. But AI doesn't erase the need for human expertise. The creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills of software engineers are irreplaceable. AI, like ChatGPT, serves to amplify these human strengths, not substitute them. So, are engineers at risk of losing their jobs to AI? The answer is no. It's time to embrace AI as a powerful ally in the world of software development, reducing our workload and automating tedious tasks, which lets us focus on the things that really matter. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to see more of our 90-second game changers.